What is up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to WP Workshop. Today I'm gonna show you how to install WordPress in basically 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes tops. I'm gonna do it through a tool called cPanel. It's available with most web hosting setups, and luckily for all of us it's very easy to use. Okay, this is how to do it pain-free and no specific skills required. Okay, so this is cPanel. This is what it looks like. It has tons of options in here, but we're only gonna use a couple of them. However, first things first, how to actually get here. Yeah, so different web hosts are gonna have different options and different ways of getting there. For instance, if you are with Namecheap, you can just click on the Go to cPanel button that's visible in your hosting dashboard. Hosting.com, pretty similar. Just click on Login to Control Panel and it's gonna take you directly to cPanel. And some other hosts might have their own options for fast WordPress installations, so check that out. For instance, I covered how to install Bluehost in another video, but for now let's just focus on cPanel. So yeah, that is cPanel. So where to go? Well, it's all pretty simple. Just look through the page until you see something called WordPress Manager by Softaculous. And yeah, just click on that. In here, click on install. So the first thing to do here is to make sure that the correct domain name is selected. This is the domain name where you're gonna install WordPress. So if you have more than one domain name with this hosting setup, then you can pick it from this drop-down menu in here. If you have only one, then it's gonna be already pre-selected in here. One more thing, just make sure that the protocol is HTTPS, meaning that it's a secure protocol. And then below, this is where you get to set your site name, your description, and most importantly, your admin username and password. So whatever you see here, copy and paste it somewhere safe so that you can log into your website when it is installed. So I'm gonna do it now, just grab it from here. You can also set your admin email, make sure that it's correct. For me, this is just an example. And yeah, with that, just click on install. Yeah, and just like that, Softaculous has managed to install WordPress for us. So just click on the link that's visible in here. To log in, just enter the same username and password that you set during the installation a couple of seconds ago. Let me just copy and paste mine. Okay, log in, and we are in. This is the standard WordPress dashboard. We've just completed the entire WordPress installation in basically a couple of clicks. So yeah, that is what cPanel can do for you. Let me know what you think. Let me know in case you need help installing WordPress on your web host. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm Karol. You can find me at wpwork.shop and see you next time.